Alright, good afternoon. This is the Blessed Man, and in this very short video, I'm going to show you how to walk around the crypto magnets clicker bots. This is a very awesome bot that will give you valuable airdrop. If you have been doing any kind of clicker bot before, this is the one that you will not miss, because crypto magnet is a clicker bot that is not just a bot, but it is a clicker bot backed up by a real ecosystem with so many products. And this particular clicker bot will give you a very valuable airdrop. Okay, so right now I'm going to walk you through into the app, the bot itself. I believe by now, when you get your link from anybody that sends this links to you right now, what you need to do is to click on the link that was given to you, and then when you click on the link, it will bring you to Telegram. You have to click on start. When you click on start, you will see play. Just click on play, and then after you click on play, the next thing you are going to see is you are going to see another start. So click on that start, and once you click on that start, you now click on play again. All right, so let me just do it at this stage. This is where you should be, so I'll just click here. Let's take it. I'll just click on this particular play here. So when you click on play, the bot is going to load, and then you first of all, you have to collect your passive income. Just click on collect. All right, so now we are in the bots. You can see different interface in this particular bot right now. Here you are going to see your profit per tap. That means each time you tap your hands on the bot, this is how much will be added to this your balance. Okay, so this is your total team income that you've made in your structure. This particular one is your balance, your coin balance right now. As you are making this coin, you can be spending them to increase your profit per hour. So this is my profit per hour here, and then this is where your energy is. Okay, yours might not be 9,000, but you start, and you can actually go here and boost your energy and refund your energy for you to be able to tap again. So now if you look at this place, you have your task, daily tasks. This is where you do your daily tasks. This is mine section. If you click here, you'll be able to upgrade your cards and then increase your profit per hour. Then this is the whole where we are right now. If you click on friends, it will take you to your structure, and we're going to go here one after the other, and this is the airdrop. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on all of these things one after the other. So right now I am going to start with the boosts. Okay, so if I click here, you can see I've already claimed my boost. It's remaining 15 minutes for me to claim another one. This will help you to upgrade your tap. You know, mine is on 18. If you upgrade this, if I click on this to upgrade with 1 million something, I'll be tapping on 19. Okay, so this is to refill your energy. If I pay this amount, I will refill my energy to 9,005 from 9,000 where I am. All right, so let's go back and then click on other links. So let's go to daily tasks. Here you see every single day you come here and claim your reward. All right, so I've claimed day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. By tomorrow I am going to claim day 7. All right, and then there is a timer here showing us how we are going to do this. So that is it. Other tasks are going to appear here in a short while. Now again, click on mine here. On the mine section, you have all the cards. Right now I have upgraded all my cards to the maximum. We have level 15, level 15, level 15, level 15. You can see these are 20 cards here. Later today or tomorrow, more levels of cards will be added according to the update we are given by the founder of Magnet ecosystem, and then these levels also will move to 21 levels, just like this. So but this is where it is. Yours is not going to be like this. Yours is going to start from level 0. So you need to start clicking on each of these cards one after the other. When you click on it, you will be able to upgrade your cards, and as you are doing it, your profit per hour will be increasing. All right, so you are doing it, your profit per hour will be increasing. So each of this card that you click on will educate you. For example, if you click on 1 inch, it will tell you what 1 inch is, what 1 inch is used for. The same thing with Save Pal, just like this. So this particular clicker bot is actually designed to familiarize you with the ecosystem of Magnet and how it works. So if you see, this is Magnet ecosystem, this is Magnet. When you click, this is Marketing Magnet. If you click on it, it will actually show you how all these things actually work. All right, so now we'll move on to friends. This is where it's important. Let me show you around here. You can see each friends that you invite will pay you. If the person is using ordinary Telegram, you're going to receive 7,500 coins, and the person you invited will also receive 7,500 coins. If the person is using premium Telegram, you will receive 25,000 coins, and that person will receive also 25,000 coins. Okay, and this is your first line, this is your direct downlines. You will also receive it in your second generation, your third generation, and your fourth generation, that same way. Okay, there's what we call level of bonus. Each time anybody you introduce to Crypto Magnet achieves a level, this is what you are going to be paid. Silver level will pay you 20,000 coins, while premium will pay you 30,000. This is how it is up to this last level, which is epic. We pay you 1 million, and then for premium is going to pay you 2 million coins. All right, so here, this is the actual bonuses that have been received already. So in this particular account right now, you can see all the earnings that have been done in this account. You can see it right here and there. In my first line, you can see this is how much I've earned from all my ordinary people that are using ordinary Telegram, that are my direct downlines. Okay, these are the ones from premium friends. So right now, this is my first generation earning from ordinary users. This is my first generation for premium users. This is my second generation earning for ordinary users, and then for premium users, and this is third generation earning for ordinary users, and then this is for premium. You see a whole lot that Magnet Clicker Bot is paying you, right? So when you come here, you come down here, you're going to see your team. This particular one here will show you your direct referrals. This is your first generation, your second generation, your third generation, and your fourth generation. Okay, which is the first generation of your direct partner, second generation of your direct partner, and third generation of your direct partner. So here you're going to see the list of all your direct partners as they are listed. So what you need to do here is to come, either you click on invite friends and then forward this to them, or you go back and click on copy. All right, click on this box by the right hand side and click on copy. You can see copy to clipboard. So you just go ahead and share your link to everybody. Share your link. So, and this is the airdrop that is actually coming soon. So guys, this is Magnet Clicker Bot, and I can assure you that this is going to transform a lot of lives. If you don't know what Magnet ecosystem is, then you need to find out what Magnet ecosystem is. You need to find out. How do you find out? Ask anybody around. If you don't know who to ask me. Ask me how you can be able to take advantage of Magnet ecosystem and start making money for yourself. All right, you want to use my link for this particular Crypto Magnet, go to the description of the video. If you're on my YouTube, go to the description. You will be able to see the link to use to join Crypto Magnet. Okay, if you are watching this video from someone else, collect this person's referral link and then make sure that you register yourself and start promoting Magnet. So this is a project that is going to transform life. Magnet will be launching their ecosystem live in November, and it's going to make a lot of money for guys. So thank you guys. This is just a short video. I want to show us on how to walk around this particular ecosystem and the clicker bots.